What's good, everyone? This is Chris here, your Sacramento Realtor. We got another home tour here for you. But now we're in the pocket area of Sacramento. So right between I-5 and then the Sacramento River that curves, it's the pocket area where we're at right now. And I'm telling you right now, it's a premium location. You gotta check it out. And I'm also show you the park, which we're like a couple minutes by, and also some of the restaurants by here as well that are A1. Let's get to it. Oh, and don't forget, we got the Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do is be a subscriber, leave a comment in the section below what you think about the house or the area, and the winner will be announced next week. All right, welcome to this beautiful home here off of Nadia Way, excuse me. We're on 7570 Nadia Way. Look at the area, nice and green, peaceful. Everyone mows their lawn, almost at grass, but yeah, definitely a nice area. Let's go and take a look though. This bad boy, it's a 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, like the tree right there. Over 2,200 square feet with the 2-car garage. Bad boy is built in 1987. I like all the plants out here. This is built on a concrete slab. Let's take a look. Nice size living room. With the new light fixture, I'm gonna show you here in a second if I can back up. Yeah, right there. Yeah. And right here is a kitchenette. I'm gonna come around there in a second. But you got your full dining room right here with another light fixture. And over here, you got your garage. But you got your faucet there for the washer and dryer. Hookups right there. Open this up. Got your garage, 2-car. And I gotta show you something too. It also has a new water heater and a new furnace, new HVAC. And yeah, that's the beauty, because those can cost quite a bit. Let's go back inside. And since it was built back in the 80s, you don't have too much overfloor plan until you get over there. So that's why you see things kind of section off, like that's the living room. This is the formal dining room right here. Then you also got your kitchenette. I have not seen that in a home before. In the middle of a home before until now. Then you got your closet for some storage. You got your jackets. Check out the kitchenette. You can even use it as a bar, you know? Who am I to judge? I'd love to have a bar in there. This is your first bathroom. It's a half bath. And actually, it's a 2.5 bath. But yeah, you got your fireplace right here. That is wood burning with the brick going up there. A lot of people don't really like the bricks, but you could paint it or do like a lime wash to make it go with the walls. And you can also paint the cabinets as well. But for this older feel, definitely gives it some charm and some character. Look at all these windows and sliding doors. A lot of natural light here for you. We'll back up too. Excuse me. Yeah. Right over here, you got your kitchen and, wait a minute. And your breakfast nook with this light fixture. See how you got the little bit of area open up here. You can place the table right there, some seats right there. I would say though, for the summer, you should probably get some curtains because it's gonna get a little hot, but a lot of natural light though. And then, so you got taking a look into the kitchen. You got your stainless steel appliances, all by Whirlpool. You got your granite countertops right there. Also right there as well. New dishwasher by Bosch. Original cabinets. Matter of fact, we didn't even talk about this. So this house has 2 sets of flooring, which is great. We got the wood and the carpet. A lot of times, if you can just keep it to 2 or 1, you're golden. But there are oftentimes in homes where you have like 3 or even 4 types of flooring, which kind of just sets it off not in the right way. Yeah, let's go ahead and go upstairs. We're in the backyard a little bit. All right, heading up the stairs. And as soon as you come up here, you already got your second bathroom with this large countertop. Toilet and then bath and shower. Come back out here. Newer light fixtures too. All right, then you got 2 big old bedrooms. And I kind of went to the corner to paint it out from the top just so you can get an idea of how big the room is. Nice size closet. And remember, it's a 3-2. Come back around. You got your second bedroom with a nice size closet. Nice window for natural light in the morning. You gotta have those early mornings. Lately, it's been kind of tough for me just because, you know, what's been going on, but I am getting back into schedule. And look at this, you got the French doors for the master. Oh, excuse me, wait a minute. Couple cabinets right there for you for storage. And you got your master. With some vaulted ceilings, you got your ceiling fan too. Ooh, I like that a lot. Plenty of natural light with those windows. You can definitely set up like a couple chairs right there and put a stack of books or anything like that. Have your reading area, get like a little coffee table either, or a coffee table as well. You can do the wine, a little bourbon, or a nice cup of coffee, enjoy the morning, and while you're looking at the trees in the back. All right. You got a super long counter for 2 people. New light fixtures as well. Look at those. Pretty much everything in this home is original, except for a few things. Well, like, you got plenty of room for the tub and some candles and all that. You will need to have some curtains just because of the window right being next to the neighbors. Also, you got another bathroom here, and then also it's got its own shower right there. It's kind of hard for me to get back there with this little thing that's holding my phone. But yeah. And you also got some nice floors as well, with laminate right there. But look how deep this closet goes in. We're all the way into this bad boy. I told you it goes in pretty deep. See? There you go. So let's head out to the backyard. This has a new sliding screen door, dual pane window. All you have to do is walk it like that and screen it. Comes right open. I definitely like the wood barrier. Right there, looks super, gives it a lot of character. You got the trees and bushes on top of there, so you still have a lot of room for your grass. You also got your orange trees. Plenty of fruit trees. You got some planter boxes as well. Right there for you. Sorry, it's a little shaky. pretty decent sized backyard. And more planter boxes right there. More fruit trees. But yeah. You can definitely set up some chairs, tables, maybe even get a little pergola, put that on top there as well. Hey, you never know. You never know. Definitely easy resting spot because you have a lot of shade from these trees right here. Okay, go to the other side. Look how big that new AC is. It is huge. My goodness. I think it's real huge and real new. And yeah, so this is a Zillow-owned home, and so they do renovations, make sure everything is in good working order. So barely any problems with this home at all. Yeah. Man, there is a lot of shade here, but it's still light too. It's crazy. And let me know in the comments, do you like the character of this home? Like some of the fixtures, like the brick of it. Well, excuse me. Like the brick fireplace and the wood cabinets. Y'all let me know. And now let's take a look at the park and some of the restaurants that's around here. Over here you got your soccer fields in here in the Garcia Park. And then you also got your playgrounds right there. Now over there, that's where the boat ramp is at, and that's where the actual Sacramento River is. But we can't go back there just because they got like a lot of construction going on. You can see, I wish, what? Can't go. So, yeah. Playgrounds, soccer fields. And you also got your tennis courts here coming up here in a second. Right over there, I'll get a closer look at that. Give me 1 second. Crazy. Yeah, you can get your tennis courts right there, people playing. Yeah. Now let's take a look at the restaurant Cacio. Can't really go inside, but I'm gonna show you a couple pictures and then tell a little bit about what they're doing and see the storefront too. As you take a look around, we are here. And this is the plaza that Cacio is in. It's a few minutes away from the house. It's like 5 minutes from the house. A couple minutes from the Garcia Bend Park. Man. And when I do a full circle, you're gonna see Cacio right there. Now what they are doing, they do have online and phone orders. So you can always call in for that. And then they do recommend you call in advance to get the food as well. But yeah, it is a great restaurant. Check out some of these pictures here. Yo, take a look at their menu. They have the soups and salads, the pastas. Oh, I love the pesto pasta. I love pesto, period. I used to not like it, but now that I'm grown up, I love it. They also got the contorni, the shareable sides, and they have a nice selection of wines and craft beers. And yeah, and Cacio is one of the top rated restaurants here in the Pocket area too, so you have to try it out sometime if you're in the area, or if you come by to the area, try them out. Make sure you order in advance, and yeah. And so that's the end of our tour today. Let me know what you thought in the comments. You can always hit the subscribe button for more content. You can also check out these videos as well. I hope y'all stay safe out there, and y'all have a good one.